वासांसि जीर्णानि यथा विहाय नवानि गृह्णाति नरोपराणि तथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्ण अन्यानि संयाति navani dehi. Just as a person gets rid of his old clothing only to don on new clothing, a fresh cloth, similarly, the body, the soul, dons on a new body, discards its old wear and dons on the new. The current raging situation of COVID has taken many lives. People known to us, people extremely dear to us, or people unknown to us. But nonetheless, every family has been affected in some way or the other. Today, I'm at a crossroad and reminds me of the time, 1977, when I lost my father in a tragic train accident. After doing the Mukhagni myself, and 3 days later, I was to perform at the Mathura festival. The question looming before me was whether to cancel the performance or to go ahead with the commitment. But life goes on. The pain, the anguish that we were suffering, we only knew. And hence, while my sister did all the Haridwar rites, I went and did the other part of the duty of living, the duty of carrying on the change of constancy, which is change itself, of continuing life. The pain was within me, it did not go. Today, all of us are in a similar position. We have lost several of our dear members. Personally, I'm shocked and grieved to hear of the sad demise of Pandit Rajan Mishra, and a few months ago of Ustad Iqbal Ahmed Khan, and several of our other artists, well-known tabla players, well-known vocalists, who have left us, and it was due to COVID. Yet, life goes on. And hence, the International Lalit Arpan Festival goes on. For they were artists, and for them, the show has to go. We dedicate this year's festival to the memory of Pandit Rajan Mishra, to the memory of Ustad Iqbal Ahmed Khan, and to the memory of several other artists, of colleagues, of friends, and others who have lost their lives to COVID. This year's festival features more than 32 dancers from all across the globe, each one in their own way will be expressing through the medium of Kathak their feelings. So be with us, stay with us, and see their expression through the medium of dance. For this is the medium that is our medium of expressing ourselves. So we present the International Lalit Urban Festival of Expressions in Kathak. Coincidentally, it is also the International Dance Day, which again talks about sensitivity and humanity and brotherhood. That is what COVID situation is exhorting within us, that each one has to awaken in ourselves that sense of sensitivity, compassion, of humanity. And at the same time, understand that we can bring cheer, we can bring happiness even for a second in otherwise people's shattered lives. Through this moment of being together, of sharing, of caring, of showing that we are there for them. For all those, we are there for all who have been affected. We are there with them in their battle. We are there with them in their pain, their grief, their sorrow, and the other emotions that they may be going through.
Shobhna ji, namaskar. Many congratulations on your forthcoming Lalit Arpan Festival. You are providing much entertainment to the people in these times. Exponents of Kathak from all over the world will definitely cheer us. I wish the festival every success. Thank you.
To celebrate International Dance Day, the Lalit Arpan Festival, which is held annually by Asavri and is being held this year on 28th, 29th and 30th of April. I wish all the dancers from across the globe who are participating in this festival all the very best. My congratulations to Shobhna ji for organizing such an event. Thank you.
कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारम् संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारम् सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि।
Pranam, ladies and gentlemen. With the blessings of my Guru Shobna Narayan, I welcome you all to the International Lalit Arpan Festival. Dance to me is an expression of freedom, of joy, of bliss, of worship. My name is Shivani Verma and I am a disciple of Pandit Birju Maharaj and Guru Shobna Narayan. I would like to present a couple of expressions, as you have seen an invocation in Bhakti to Lord Shiva, now followed by a little excerpt from Vivaldi's Four Seasons. In this, there is a small recitation by Shelley, and I think in these times, he very aptly says, "If winter comes, then spring cannot be far behind." In these trying times, I hope we can bring you some joy. Pranam.
Make me thy lyre, even as the forest is. What if my leaves are falling like its own? The tumult of thy mighty harmonies will take from both a deep autumnal tone, sweet though in sadness. Be thou, spirit fierce, my spirit. Be thou me, impetuous one. Drive my dead thoughts over the universe like the withered leaves to quicken a new birth. And by the incantation of this verse, scatter, as from an unextinguished hearth, ashes and sparks, my words among mankind. Be through my lips to unawakened earth the trumpet of a prophecy. O wind, if winter comes, can spring be far behind?
Pranam. I'm Christina Luna from Lithuania, and along with Natya Devi Dance Theatre, I would like to wish you all happy International Dance Day. Dance is our passion, and that's why on this very special occasion we would like to share this passion with you. I'm very grateful for my Guru Padma Shri Shobhana Narayan for an amazing opportunity to be part of International Festival of Expressions in Kathak. Myself, I will present composition composed and conceptualized by my Guru Shobhanaji, Om. Om is an eternal sound, an eternal movement, is the beginning and the end. Om is birth and Om is a death. Om is everything about a transition, so it's everything about the movement, and that's why through Om we celebrate the eternal movement and the dance itself.
जटाटवे गलज्जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले गले विलम्ब लम्बताम्बुजङ्ग तुङ्गमालिकाम् टमट्टमट्टमट्टमन्निनादवट्टमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डव तनोतु ना शिवा शिवम् जटाकटाह सम्प्रभ भ्रमन्निलिप् निर्जले विलोल विच्चिवल्लरे विराजमान मूर्धनि धगत् 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 ज्वल लिलाट पट्ट पावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रति प्रतीक्षणा मम धराधरेन्द्र नंदनी विलास बंधु वंदरो सफोर्दिगंध संतति प्रमोद मान मानसे कृपा कटाक्ष धोरणी निरुद्ध रुद्रापदे कथित दिगंबरे मनो विनोद मेतु वस्तुनि कदा निलिंप निर्झरे निकुंज कोटरे वसन विमुक्त दुर्मति सदा शरस्त अंजलि वहन विलोल लोल लोचनो ललाल भाग लग्न के शिवेति मंत्र उच्चारण सदा सुखी भवन में शिवेति मंत्र उच्चारण सदा सुखी भवन में शिवेति मंत्र उच्चारण सदा सुखी भवन में नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय
Natya Devi Dance Theatre will present the piece choreographed on music done by Dina Washington and Max Richter, The Bitter Earth. This piece took the birth as prayer for the transition, for the change, for the movement. With all our understanding that everything will pass, we try to cherish the moment that we live in, the moment of movement. The dance is basically conceptualized by Natya Devi Dance Theatre girls, mainly by women, and followed by Yula, Rusli, and Yoga.
This bitter earth well, what the fruit it bears. This bitter earth
Namaskar. I, Thriti Swaroop, am very grateful to my Guru, Dr. Shobna Narayan, for giving me this opportunity and for guiding me through my journey of dance, a journey that has become a part of me. Please do excuse me for any errors I may commit in my exuberance to perform my best. On the occasion of International Dance Day, I would like to perform in front of you a bhajan, Nand Kumar Ashtakam. It has been written by Sri Vallabhacharya and choreographed by my Guru, Dr. Shobna Narayan. The paragon of beauty Radha searches for her beloved across creeks and brooks. She finds him, embraces him, and admires him. Krishna rises, decked in a garland of forest flowers, embodying the name Pitambar, the one clothed in yellow. The dark-skinned god is the embodiment of supreme bliss and the personification of the supreme Brahman. This piece is interspersed with the Govardhan Leela Gadbhav. On the day of worshipping Indra, Radha and her friends prepare for the festivities until Krishna advises them against it. He suggests that they worship the Govardhan Parvat instead. Meanwhile, the proud king awaits his prayers. Infuriated, he rages a storm, ordering destruction on the villagers. With no place to seek refuge, they implore Krishna to reverse his folly. They watch astounded as he leans towards the mountain and lifts it atop his little finger. Indra falls at his feet, realizing the true glory of Krishna's powers. Presenting before you, Nand Kumar Ashtakam.
Dance has always been a part of my life, and Guru Shobna Narayan, a very, very significant part of it. The years I spent with Shobna Didi, having joined her in 1973, has shaped the course of my life. The feel of the tabla when it starts, the feeling when your body and mind moves in resonance with the music, the joy is unparalleled. It is this joy that communicates with the viewer. It is this joy that keeps us all coming back to dance, whatever the odds. Today I'm going to do an Abhinay sequence, one of the first Abhinay pieces I learned from my guru. Kanha bin suni lage nagariya. Radha is lamenting the absence of Krishna as she sits alone in the town of Vrindavan. And then we go on to the second Thumri. Charo langaru mori, bhaiya kahona. Please, this tells of the playful flirting between Radha and Krishna, and how Radha admonishes him not to flirt with her, not to dally with her, as she is already spoken for. I present Tumri Manika.
नींद ना जो तुम मोरी भैया कहोगे, नैन जोड़ मेरे प्राण कहो ना, नैन जोड़ मेरे प्राण कहो ना। मैं तो नार पराए घर की, मैं तो नार पराए घर की, मेरे भरोसे गोपाल रहो ना, मेरे भरोसे गोपाल रहो ना। छाड़ो लगे रे मोरी, छाड़ो लगे रे मोरी, छाड़ो लगे रे मोरी भैया। वृंदावन की कुंज गलिन में, वृंदावन की, वृंदावन की, वृंदावन की कुंज गलिन में, वृंदावन की कुंज गलिन में, रीत छोड़ अनुरीत कहो ना, रीत छोड़ अनुरीत कहो ना। मैं तो नार पराए घर की, मैं तो नार पराए घर की, मेरे भरोसे गोपाल रहो ना, मेरे भरोसे गोपाल रहो ना। छाड़ो लगे रे मोरी, छाड़ो लगे रे मोरी, छाड़ो लगे रे मोरी भैया।
Namaste, this is Neha Pense from Houston, Texas, and today I'll be performing a Fag Tarana, which is based on Holi and Radha Krishna Chhechhad, and this composition is taught to me by Guruji herself, and it is composed and sung by Pandit Jwala Prasad ji. And this composition I chose because it actually relates what I feel about dance. Dance gives me inner happiness, joy, purity, a purpose in life. And the tarana, the music, the voice brings the same soulfulness and happiness. So I thought this would be the perfect composition to portray my dance. And hope you all will enjoy. Thank you so much.
Namaskar. On the occasion of World Dance Day and with the blessings of my Guru, Shobna Didi, I, Suparna Singh, would love to carry forward the legacy of this dance festival with my small presentation, Angikam. Angikam is the opening shlok of the ancient Indian treatise written by Acharya Nandakeshwar, Abhinay Darpan, in which all the four Abhinays are symbolized through the personas of Lord Shiva. This entire universe is his body, Angik. The sound of the universe is his speech, Vachik. The sun, the moon, and the stars are his ornaments, Aharan. And the entire emotional experience is Sattvic. The music composition is by Madhur Prasad and the conceptualization and choreography is by Shobna Didi. I beg your pardon if I make mistakes.
kata gadagin ta thai tat thai a thai tat thai thai ta thai ta thai thai kata gadagin thai ta thai ta thai thai kata gadagin thai ta thai ta thai thai kata gadagin Om Namah Shivaya Namah Shivaya Namah Shivaya सब जग नाचे डिमक डिमक डिम डमरू बाजे थई तत थई सब जग नाचे कर त्रिशूल रंग श्याम मनोहर कर त्रिशूल रंग श्याम मनोहर शेष गंग गंगाधर हर हर शैल सुदामा गौरी विराजे शैल सुदामा गौरी विराजे सर्प मालिनित कंठ विराजे सर्प मालिनित कंठ विराजे सर्प मालिनित कंठ विराजे जय भलयंकर जय जय शंकर 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 जटाजूट शिव गंग विराजे डमरू बाजे डम 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 धगत 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 धाधिन ता तिट कथा गदे के तक ता किट तक ता थई ता नाचत शंकर छम 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 ताके 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 धागे तिट ता तागे तिट ता गिरदा तिट धागे नदा तिट तिट ता तिट तिट ता धागे तिट कथा गेंता दा धागे तिट कथा गेंता दा धागे तिट कथा गेंता दा हर्षित देव मनुज और किन्नर धागे न धागे तिट 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 तत् थई ता धुन 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 दिग 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 दई तत् थई ता धुन 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 दिग 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 दई ना दिग 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 थो दिग दिग विदाम ता थई 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 तत् थई ता 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 थई राधा 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 ता थई ता थई ता थई सा ता दे कर शम 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 दिन ता तिट कथा गदे दिन ता दिन ता तिट कथा गदे नाग तिट करदा तिट धाग तिट गदे नाग तिट कदे धाग धाग तिट कथा गदे दादा दादा कदे धाग धाग तिट कथा गदे दादा दादा कदे धाग धाग तिट कथा गदे दादा दादा
Nagatite Tagatite Gradate Tagatite Gadigan Nagatite Kadit Tagan Nagatite Katagadigan Dada Ada Ada Kadit Tagan Nagatite Katagadigan Dada Ada Ada Kadit Tagan Nagatite Katagadigan Dada Ada Ada Nagatite Tagatite Gradate Tagatite Gadigan Nagatite Kadit Tagan Nagatite Katagadigan Dada Ada Ada Kadit Tagan Nagatite Katagadigan Dada Ada Ada Kadit Tagan Nagatite Katagadigan Dada Ada Ada
तांडव नृत्य करे शिव शंकर तांडव नृत्य करे शिव शंकर
Dinta Titi Kata Gadigin Dinta Titi Kata Gadigin Dagat Dig Dagat Titi Kata Tata Genda Kata Nagatita Gita Gensara Nagatita Nagatita Gita Gensara Nagatita Nagatita Gita Gensara Nagatita
Pranam is wishing you all a very happy International Dance Day. I am Pallavi Lobhni, the disciple of Pandit Arjun Mishra ji and Guru Shobhna Narayan ji. What a privilege it is to be a part of such an amazing event, Lalit Arpan Festival. And for this, I would like to express my gratitude towards my Guru Shobhna Didi for giving me this wonderful opportunity to perform on this prestigious platform. Today, in my performance, I'll be presenting a Durga Stuti based on Rag Charukeshi set to Ek Tal. Durga, one of the principal Hindu deities, described to be the goddess of war, strength and protection. And I will try to portray all these qualities of Durga through my performance. Please forgive me for any mistakes. Need your blessings. Thank you.
Jaya Mata Jai Jai Jagat Janani Devi Mata Jai Jai Jagat Janani Devi Jai Jai Jagat Janani Devi Sura Nara Muni Asura Sevi Bhakti Mukti Daini Varya Harani Kalika Sule Sela
And now, moving on to one of my favorite segments, Tarana. This Tarana which I am going to perform is based on Rag Malkauns and sung by Pandit Dharmnath Mishra ji. Need your blessings again. Thank you.
Namaskar. My name is Madhura Phatak and I am a senior disciple of Padma Shri Guru Shobhana Narayan. First and foremost, I express my gratitude and convey my respects to my Guru Padma Shri Shobhana Narayan, who has given me this opportunity to present a small bhav piece on the occasion of the International World Dance Day. As Didi asked us, I was wondering what I should present today, And I said, yes, dance has given me so much in my life, so many colors to experience, so many colors to convey, and it has given me an expression which I had not known before. Dance, in fact, has connected me to myself. Today, in the world, when we fight with pandemic like the COVID, I think dance has given me the solace that is required in this time of so much of human suffering. Dance has in fact given me the groundedness to look at the world from a different perspective. For today, I have chosen a very beautiful piece written by Saint Kabir Das, who was a mystic from Banaras. The bhajan it's a Nirankari bhajan, by the way, and it is Hirana Samajabhuja Banacharana. This bhajan has been originally composed and sung by Pandit Kumar Gandharva. Why this bhajan? It's a Nirankari bhajan which doesn't really speak to God or about God. It just speaks about myself like a hiran, the mind, which runs berserk in the world. And in fact today we need to discerningly choose what to do, what to intend, what is my thought in this world full of suffering. Kabir Das ji says, choose your world, choose the jungle you walk, choose the forest you walk very discerningly. Hence, Hirana Samajha Bhuja Banacharana. I hope you enjoy this piece. Thank you.
ना समझ बूझ बन चरना तीरना तीज बन में पाँच पारधी तीज बन में पाँच पारधी उनके नजर नाही पड़ना उनके नजर नाही पड़ना कीरना कीरना समझ बूझ बन चरना कीरना एक बन चरना दूजे बन चरना एक बन चरना दूजे बन चरना तीज बन पग नाही धरना तीजे बन पग नाही धरना कीरना कीरना कहे कबीरा जी कहे कबीरा जी कहे कबीरा जी कहे कबीरा जी सुनो भई साधो कहे कबीरा जी सुनो भई साधो गुरु के चरण चित धरना गुरु के चरण चित धरना कीरना 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 समझ बूझ बन चरना कीरना 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 कीरना
And with that, we come to an end to day one of the festival. Stay tuned. Join us again tomorrow at the same time on the same link for day two of the festival, where we bring you another beautiful fragrance of all the other artists. So till then, namaskar.